9/11, but they have been planned way before that. So if we have a car wreck here, in the middle there'll be a massive traffic jam zigzagging all the way to the Arizona and to the Nevada side. So because of the growing population, they have planned that way before that. The year 2007. Yeah. They're thinking of opening part of towards the big club, the outside, but security right now. Oh yeah? Oh, that is very impressive. Very impressive. Look at the dam from the bottom all the way up.
It doesn't show anything.
Yeah.
All you see is like,
How do they get those banked? Why they
And you notice to the right side here we have two tunnels.
Where I make you sick.
There are two tunnels down where the blue vehicle is. You can't see the second tunnel, but you can see one of them. That tunnel goes through the canyon wall, comes up to that concrete road way out there. That's the movie. Tunnel right there, or the blue vehicles.
But that side, and then it's go around.
They could go around, and we could use a cable crane system with a tower. You can see some wheels on top of the cables. This is the longest continuous cable crane system in the world. The lifting capacity is 250 tons. But for safety reasons, we only lift up to 150, and it was being used just about 4 days ago.
Of a crane like this.
Yeah. To put that fin inside, you have to knock it in with about 25 to 50 tons of pressure. So that's a lot of work, a lot of machinery for that 1931. I mean, they did a wonderful work right there. Here the water about 55 feet deep, maximum depth, and over here will be 520 feet deep. So the water basically goes inside those intake towers by gravity. That's how we get the water to speed up to 85 miles an hour when it's a turbine. Take that underneath. Is that? Yeah, that's water. Irrigation program. So the water goes inside a scroll cage, inside turbine, and then double. Yeah. This is called an arch gravity dam. If you notice, it's an arch from the Arizona side all the way arches to the Nevada side. Its gravity will be its weight is 6.6 million tons. But this basically means that the higher the water level may be, there'll be more water pressure hitting the entire wall. So just push the entire wall to the side of the canyon wall. With this design, you don't need any steel, any reinforcement. There's no body inside the concrete. Concrete here in Hoover Dam is still curing. They say 100 years, some people say a couple of 100 years, and it's still dissipating heat. What they did in the good old days, they ran in 2-inch pipes horizontally or vertically, and they ran water for 72 hours. If they would not use this process, it would take about 125 years for the heat to dissipate. Now, after those 72 hours, they fill those 2-inch pipes with concrete grout, and that became part of the concrete. It should withstand an 8.5 magnitude earthquake, and the life expectancy of the dam should be about 2,000 years. I was speaking to a computer expert a couple of months ago. He told me that the dam was overbuilt, that with the modern technology, they didn't have to make the